Left Common Carotid Artery. 12 questions and answers. Does the left common carotid artery branch off the brachiocephalic trunk? No, the left common carotid artery does not branch off the brachiocephalic trunk. Does the left common carotid artery branch from the arch of aorta? Yes, the left common carotid artery branches from the arch of aorta. Is the left common carotid artery longer than the right common carotid artery? Yes, the left common carotid artery is longer than the right common carotid artery. Does the left common carotid artery give off branches in the neck? No, the left common carotid artery does not give off branches in the neck. In the neck, does the left common carotid artery travel upward? Yes, in the neck, the left common carotid artery travels upward. Is the left common carotid artery situated lateral to the trachea and the esophagus? Yes, the left common carotid artery is situated lateral to the trachea and the esophagus. What is the endpoint of the left common carotid artery? The left common carotid artery ends by dividing into arteries. The left common carotid artery bifurcates into how many arteries? 2 arteries arise because of the bifurcation of the left common carotid artery. What are the names of the 2 arteries that arise because of the bifurcation of the left common carotid artery? Internal and external carotid arteries are the 2 arteries that arise because of the bifurcation of the left common carotid artery. At what level, in relation to the thyroid cartilage, does the bifurcation of the left common carotid artery take place? The bifurcation of the left common carotid artery takes place at the superior margin of the thyroid cartilage. At what level, in relation to the cervical vertebrae, does the bifurcation of the left common carotid artery take place? The bifurcation of the left common carotid artery takes place at the 4th cervical vertebrae. Does the bifurcation of the left common carotid artery take place in an area known as the carotid triangle? Yes, the bifurcation of the left common carotid artery takes place in an area known as the carotid triangle.